I recap. In qualitative research, a code is a text label attached to a segment or a particle of meaning. And I looked for two examples to show you. One is, imagine you have done your research with photography, and later on you have all your photographs. You're scanning through your photographs, and you maybe come to a couple of photographs where you say, but hold on a moment, I begin to notice something when I look at the facial expressions of the people I photographed there. I remember the debate, what it was about, but when I now have the time to look at these stills of the facial expressions, I can see in the eyes somebody is seriously in doubt, and this person is also seriously questioning what was being stated there. So as I think about this, I guess I am on a segment of meaning there, and I would select those two photographs and make a text label for them that would, for instance, have the capture questioning, doubt, maybe even anxiety or distrust. The text label, the word that you will use to capture the meaning of what you have there, that is obviously part of your research activity, that you were there, you understand what it was about, you make the best possible choice. So that's a visual example. Many students in qualitative research rely on the method of interviewing, either individuals one-on-one or focus group interviews, where afterwards they sit with the recorded interview. Audio recorded, because most of the times it's ethically not allowed to do video recorded interviews. One needs to have permission for that. So you go back listening to what you have recorded, to the voice of the person who spoke, or the voices that come through from the different people in the group. It's very difficult to work with that material, so what you actually have to do is transcribe the spoken word into text. Then you will have reams and reams and reams of what so-and-so said, what so-and-so said, what so-and-so said. You have like a whole scenario for a movie. There again, this is your data. You're going to have to look through what people were saying, looking for where does strike something as meaningful. For instance, you did a research on developing a particular area in town, and you spoke to different people who live there. You find out that they speak a lot about how the bad weather has an impact on them, especially when it rains. You will now find that somebody speaks about rain. You will maybe find that somebody speaks a lot about flooding or about the pollution it causes, especially when the sewerages overflow, or how the nice gardens where they try and grow vegetables, the soil gets eroded. These are actually already all codes. And you could have an overarching code that would, for instance, say impact of rainy weather. So your text label, it can either be a one word, or it can also be a short description of what is the meaning in the text that you refer to. Let's have a freeze moment.